Searching far and wide, he finds the very first guru, the guru of communications.
I have searched lands far and wide for your wisdom. Please bestow upon me your knowledge.
7 billion minds speak in this world. You fail to communicate, translate your followers' ideas. Their potential to be lost. Learn from these words.
Thank you.
Traveling farther than the first time, over vast mountain ranges, scaling and scaling mountains until he finds the next guru, the guru of diversity.
I have searched far and wide for your knowledge. Please impart to me your wisdom. Diversity is responsible for all of your ideas, and also for all of your conflicts. You must use and overcome diversity to form a successful team. You must focus on what unites you, not what drives you apart. Learn from these words and go. Thank you.
With this newfound knowledge, our hero departs, traveling through very many deserts, sweating and scathing until he finds the next guru, the guru of service.
Is the good leaders, but all good leaders are good help. The best leader leads by example, and if you yourself cannot help your team, then they cannot either.
Thank you for your knowledge.
Our hero, slowly becoming a better leader, finds his way faster and faster to the next guru, the guru of direction.
I have searched for your wisdom. Please let it be known.
A good leader will successfully channel the effort and abilities of his team to avoid success and present and direct any steps taken down the path of chaos. He gives his followers the morale to go on and never lose
Our hero travels through many snow biomes and whatnot until he finds our next guru, the guru of ethics.
Please, I have searched far and wide for your wisdom. Lead us
A leader must make good decisions. Some trivial decisions may be made by anyone, or they have little effects. However, big decisions have to be made by someone with clear moral values. You must clarify who you believe in. Now take this knowledge and go.
Our hero travels the longest distance he has, searching for the final guru, the guru of vision.
Guru of vision. Your knowledge has been marveled throughout the land. Please bestow it to me.
And the team must achieve a great task. No team can do so without vision. Without it, you have no objective, nothing to strive for, no motivation to keep going on, and no purpose to achieve. The truest of leaders provides for his followers a light at the end of the tunnel, the reason for going the extra mile. This is the vision that is given, and this is the vision that you have achieved. You have through your searches for the gurus and the knowledge that you have learned, you have achieved your vision and become a great leader. Now go and use your skills on the world.
There you have it. Our hero ends his quest. Having achieved his vision and learning the art of leadership, our hero continues his life as a successful leader. We can all learn from the story.